Get ready for a wild ride of revelations as we begin the saga of Turkey's transformation over the last 23 years. Turkey has emerged as an industrial powerhouse, standing tall alongside heavyweights such as France, Spain, and the United Kingdom in the heavy industry sector. It's not just standing, it's aggressively striving for the world's 6th position in weapons exports, leaving even Israel, the world's 3rd largest exporter of multi-purpose military drones, in the dust. Stay tuned as we examine how Turkey accomplished this incredible feat and established itself as a global player in the arms industry. In 2003, the ascendancy of President Recep Tayyip Erdogan marked a transformative era for Turkey's military capabilities, particularly in the realm of manufacturing weapons and heavy industries. Under his leadership, Turkey witnessed a significant shift towards self-reliance in defense production. This strategic move was driven by a desire to reduce dependence on external suppliers and enhance the nation's autonomy in ensuring its security. President Erdogan envisioned a Turkey that could not only defend itself, but also contribute to global security as a major player in the arms manufacturing sector. Fast forward to the present day, and Turkey stands as a formidable force in the international defense arena. The Turkish armed forces have emerged as the 2nd largest military within the NATO alliance, a testament to the nation's commitment to fortifying its military capabilities. What distinguishes Turkey's approach is its comprehensive focus on developing a diverse range of weaponry, spanning from advanced fighter jets and armored vehicles to naval vessels and missile systems. This multifaceted approach positions Turkey as a self-sufficient force capable of addressing a spectrum of security challenges. The question arises, why does an Islamic country like Turkey invest so extensively in the production of weapons, including cutting-edge technologies? Beyond the obvious considerations of national security, Turkey's pursuit of military self-sufficiency is intertwined with its geopolitical ambitions and desire for regional influence. By establishing itself as a major arms manufacturer, Turkey not only strengthens its defense capabilities, but also gains a seat at the table in global diplomatic and strategic discussions. This dual strategy of bolstering security while asserting influence marks Turkey as a distinctive player in the evolving landscape of international power dynamics. Turkey's military dominance in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, is notably exemplified by the Turkish army's possession of the world's largest fleet of armed drones. Comprising over 200 TB2 and TB3 drones, which include indigenous models such as the Thai Anka and Tiha, Turkey has strategically positioned itself as a global leader in drone technology. This accomplishment is largely attributed to the visionary leadership and technical acumen of one individual, Selçuk Bayraktar, often hailed as the godfather of Turkey's military drone success. Turkey's impressive fleet of armed drones demonstrates the country's commitment to improving military capabilities and maintaining a competitive edge on the global stage. These drones are critical in a variety of military operations because they can provide surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike capabilities. The technological prowess of Turkey's drone fleet reflects the country's commitment to defense technology, innovation, and self-sufficiency. Selçuk Bayraktar's pivotal role in shaping Turkey's military drone capabilities cannot be overstated. As the driving force behind the development and deployment of these advanced UAVs, Bayraktar has become a symbol of Turkey's commitment to harnessing cutting-edge technology for strategic military advantage. His vision and expertise have not only propelled Turkey to the forefront of drone technology, but have also solidified the country's position as a key player in the evolving landscape of modern warfare. In conclusion, Turkey's status as the possessor of the world's largest army of armed drones is a testament to its commitment to innovation and military advancement. The influence of Selçuk Bayraktar, the godfather of Turkey's military drone success, has been instrumental in shaping and steering the nation towards achieving unparalleled excellence in drone technology. As the significance of drones in military operations continues to grow, Turkey's strategic investment in this domain positions it as a formidable force in the global defense arena. Economically, the rise of military drones has proven to be a lucrative venture for Turkey, particularly through its military-industrial complex's export activities. The year 2022 marked a significant milestone as Turkey recorded an impressive $4.4 billion in drone exports, a figure that exceeded the entire defense budgets of certain European nations. This underscores the pivotal role that drone technology plays in bolstering Turkey's economic standing on the global stage. The country's adeptness in drone manufacturing and utilization has positioned it as a formidable competitor, with projections indicating that by the end of 2023, Turkey is set to seal drone deals worth an estimated $7 billion. This trajectory places Turkey in league with major global players such as China and the United States, highlighting its emergence as a significant contributor to the international drone market. The success of Turkey's drone exports can be attributed to a combination of technological innovation and strategic decision-making within the nation's defense industry. Key players in Turkey's drone sector include prominent defense companies and research institutions that have spearheaded advancements in drone technology. These entities have not only propelled Turkey to the forefront of the drone market, but have also facilitated the country's self-sufficiency in drone production. The synergy between government initiatives, private sector innovation, and academic research has fostered an ecosystem conducive to the growth of the drone industry, enabling Turkey to maintain a competitive edge in the international arms market. Turkey's prowess in drone exports has not only bolstered its economic standing, but has also reshaped geopolitical dynamics. The strategic use of military drones has enhanced Turkey's military capabilities, allowing it to assert influence in various regional conflicts. The country's success in drone technology has garnered attention and interest from international partners seeking to enhance their defense capabilities. As Turkey continues to carve a niche for itself in the global drone market, the implications extend beyond economic gains, impacting the nation's strategic position and influence on the world stage. Turkey has emerged as a formidable player in the field of military drones, with its top-of-the-line unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, making significant strides in terms of technology and operational capabilities. At the forefront stands the Bayraktar TB2, a medium-altitude, long-endurance drone that has garnered international attention by completing an impressive 400,000 flight hours globally. Since its maiden flight in 2014, the Bayraktar TB2 has proven its mettle in various war zones, showcasing advanced technologies and establishing itself as a flagship of the Turkish military. One key aspect of the Bayraktar TB2's success lies in its versatility. Equipped with cutting-edge features, this drone has demonstrated effectiveness in a range of military operations, from surveillance and reconnaissance to precision strikes. Its significance extends beyond national borders, as evidenced by its substantial flight hours across diverse geographical locations. The drone's reliability and adaptability have contributed to Turkey's strategic capabilities, making it a valuable asset in the modern battlefield. Turkey's commitment to staying at the forefront of UAV technology is evident in its continuous development efforts. In addition to the Bayraktar TB2, Turkey has expanded its drone arsenal with the introduction of the Bayraktar TB3 and the Kızılelma, the latest fighter UAV. These additions represent a significant leap forward, promising to redefine the landscape of military drones. The Bayraktar TB3 likely builds upon the success of its predecessor, while the Kızılelma introduces innovative features that further enhance Turkey's capabilities in unmanned aerial warfare. As Turkey continues to invest in and advance its drone technology, the nation solidifies its position as a key player in the global landscape of military innovation. As we wrap up, the question arises: can Turkey become one of the world's top 3 advanced military drone developers and exporters? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into Turkey's military transformation. If you found this exploration into Turkey's military transformation as fascinating as we did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future content. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps us motivated to bring you more engaging stories and insights. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.